Today, we enter Jupiter itself to build a civilization inside its storm. Inside Jupiter, powerful storms surround us from every direction. Construction fleets begin stabilizing within Jupiter's atmosphere. Floating platforms are deployed to create the first stable base.
Advanced stabilizers hold the structure steady inside the storm.
Construction begins on the first atmospheric base.
The first structure grows into a massive floating platform.
Protective shields secure the base from extreme conditions. A network of floating bases begins to form inside Jupiter. The first phase begins, building a civilization inside Jupiter itself. The first structural layers rise, forming the backbone of the floating city. The platform expands, growing into a massive floating network. Stabilization systems intensify to hold the growing structure in place. Reinforced flooring transforms the platform into a stable construction zone. Protective domes shield the city from Jupiter's extreme environment. Vertical structures begin shaping the city's future skyline. A powerful energy grid connects every part of the structure.
Transport corridors link every section of the growing city.
Individual platforms merge into a unified megastructure. The floating city begins to take shape inside Jupiter's storm. Energy harvesting begins, tapping directly into Jupiter's powerful atmosphere. Lightning is captured and converted into usable power. Reactor cores stabilize and amplify the energy supply. Atmospheric gases are processed into valuable industrial resources. Massive intake systems convert raw atmosphere into usable materials. Industrial production begins at an unprecedented scale. Storage systems secure resources for long-term expansion. A seamless transport network connects every part of the system. The industrial network expands across the floating city.
Jupiter becomes the power source of a massive industrial empire.
The first vertical structures rise, shaping the skyline of a floating city. Futuristic buildings begin to define the city's architecture. Residential zones are protected by advanced atmospheric shields.
Living spaces are designed to support life inside Jupiter's extreme environment.
A high-speed transport system connects every part of the city. A new level of mobility emerges within the floating city.
Public spaces bring balance and life to the city environment.
The city expands into a multi-layered floating metropolis. The city comes alive with light inside Jupiter's endless storm. A futuristic city now exists inside Jupiter's storm.
Human life begins inside Jupiter, surrounded by unmatched cosmic views.
Every residence offers a breathtaking view of Jupiter's atmosphere.
Floating lounges redefine luxury above Jupiter's endless storm.
Sky pools create a seamless connection between luxury and space.
Dining becomes an experience surrounded by the universe itself.
Movement across the city is fast, seamless, and futuristic.
Even inside Jupiter, comfort and peace are fully maintained.
Social life thrives in a city built above the storm.
Each day begins with views no world has ever seen before.
Humanity transforms Jupiter into the ultimate luxury civilization.
Transport systems expand beyond Jupiter, connecting the entire moon network. Ships begin their journey from Jupiter's core into the wider system. Outside Jupiter, a vast network of moons awaits connection.
Intermoon routes form, connecting every part of the system.
Orbital hubs become the backbone of intermoon travel. Resources flow seamlessly across the entire network. Travel between worlds becomes part of everyday life. A complete transport network links Jupiter to its entire moon system. The system becomes a living network of constant movement.
Jupiter and its moons unite into a fully connected cosmic civilization.
Advanced systems begin monitoring Jupiter's powerful storms in real time. A powerful shield system protects the city from Jupiter's storms. Lightning is controlled and redirected to prevent damage. Stabilization systems maintain balance against extreme forces. Autonomous defense drones secure the entire system perimeter. Orbital systems extend protection across the entire Jupiter system. The system withstands even the most extreme conditions. Smart systems ensure instant recovery and stability. The city stands strong, unaffected by Jupiter's power.
The system becomes unstoppable, mastering Jupiter's extreme environment.
What once seemed impossible has now become reality inside Jupiter.
A civilization rises where no world was meant to exist. From within Jupiter, humanity reaches outward into the system.
Jupiter becomes the center of a massive cosmic network.
Every moon is now connected through a unified network. A complete civilization now exists across Jupiter and its moons. The expansion continues beyond Jupiter into the wider universe. This is no longer just a planet. It is a living system. A new era begins, built in the most extreme environment known. This is not just a civilization. This is humanity's future among the stars.